We live in South East Queensland, which is prone, as we know, to extreme weather and climate events. We know we get extreme rainfall and severe floods. We also have severe droughts, and one tends to follow the other. This is part of a normal cycle of seasonal climate patterns due to situations in the Pacific Ocean called El Nino and La Nina. El Nino refers to warm water in the central and eastern Pacific. La Nina is its opposite pattern, where you have a lot of cold water in the central and eastern Pacific. It's probably the most important climate pattern on Earth. They operate for about a year, sometimes very occasionally go for 2 or 3 years. The main cause of our severe rain, in eastern Australia especially, is La Nina. You don't guarantee floods every time we have a La Nina, but the risk is the highest. We don't know a lot yet about the impact of climate change on El Nino and La Nina. We need to, because of their huge impact on Australia. We suspect, through 1 or 2 models that are starting to show this, that the return period and intensity of La Ninas is going to change, which will mean more frequent floods.
Last year we had the start of the La Nina, and it's been raining fairly constantly since then. So we obviously had big floods in February, but even this winter's been wetter than usual, and it's continuing into spring. And so that just means the ground just has less capacity to absorb more rain. Of course, that also means our dams are full and the creeks and rivers are already flowing as well. After the 2011 floods, quite a lot of work has gone into understanding the Brisbane River catchment. And what we've learned through these years of research is the Brisbane River is a very risky catchment. Floods can be very large and affect a lot of people, and that's because of the topography. You need to understand the risk, and you need to understand that every flood is different. And we found that in 2022. People thought, I wasn't impacted by 2011, I won't be impacted by 2022, and that's just not the case. I really would advocate people to look at their council website, understand what the chance of flooding is at your house and what it might mean for you. If it were to rain and if it were to flood, you'll be better prepared.